Sometimes you can't install any application from Play Store. So in such a condition, you gotta update your whole Play Store. But the problem is how to update this Play Store. And that's what I'm gonna show you here in this video. So let's get started. First, close your Google Play Store. Now click on Google Play Store and hold for a few seconds like this. And now you see a small I button here. So click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Click on Storage. Now at the bottom you get two options here, clear data and clear cache. And now see here the cache file is 156 MB. So first you gotta delete this. See how to delete this cache files, click on clear cache files at the bottom right corner. Now go back and now open your Play Store. At the top right corner click on your profile picture. Now scroll down a little bit and select settings. Now look at the last option, about. So click on it. Again scroll down a little bit. So just click on update Play Store and your Play Store will be updated. That's it. So this is how you can update your Google Play Store. That's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want more this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.